team.
You can raise your hand. Tashi, go there. I couldn't hear. Mansira? Okay, go there. This is the full form. Repeat your questions again.
Students, what is the full form of team?
Standing together.
Not the full.
From this side.
That means you didn't listen carefully. It was there already.
Done.
T, then
T.
entire.
This side.
Together we stand unity and strength.
Yes.
Teamwork.
No.
Full form.
It was said full
Standing
form.
together and working together.
No. No. It was said in the assembly. If you were attending.
Teamwork.
Children, what does T stands for? What does E stands for? What does A stands
Together
for?
everyone achieves more.
Yes.
That's the correct answer. Together everyone achieves more. Together
The correct answer by Avni. Just make an announcement.
That's the correct answer. Together everyone achieves more.
So now everybody knows. So please repeat it.
Together everyone achieves more.
That is why we need to work in a
team. This small insect shows great teamwork and unity in its colony.
repeat your question. Repeat the question. Repeat.
Go at the back.
Go at the back. Repeat the question.
This small insect shows great teamwork and unity in its colony. That's the correct answer. Ants. Which flying birds form a V shape to spot each other in the sky?
Which flying bird? Repeat the question for me. Repeat. Speak your question again. Speak your question.
Which flying birds form a V shape to spot each other in the sky? Trap.
Raise your hand. Ask me.
Seagull. Pigeon. Crows.
No. We have the answer here. G.
Eagle.
No.
Birds.
Okay. Yes, give the answer.
Now, India's unity.
Repeat. Repeat.
Children at the back, please be quiet. There will be English.
Over here. Yes.
That represents India's unity. National slogan that represents India's unity.
Teamwork. With teamwork makes it teamwork.
Slogan. Ma'am, this side only answer. अब बेटा इस side भी
No,
पूछो।
तेरी बारी आई है ना जब
वेदांत।
एक बार Unity is the best policy. In the blood, I will give you freedom.
Correct answer is unity in diversity. In relay race, what two players pass to each other?
Repeat your question. In relay race, what two players pass to each other?
A wire step. Stick. boys.
Does the father teach? In the story, The Bundle of Sticks, what lesson does the father teach?
Bundle of sticks story.
In the story Bundle of Sticks, what?
That you can break one stick, but you can break a bundle of sticks.
It can be given. And take the right.
Unity is strength. Let's remember, united we are stronger, braver and kinder. So let us help, support and stand by each other. With this beautiful thought, we come to you today's assembly and wishing you all a beautiful and a meaningful day ahead.
Just move down.
And kinder. So let us help, support and stand by each other. With this beautiful thought, we conclude today's assembly and wishing you all a beautiful and a meaningful day ahead. The principal ma'am, to please come on the stage and share your insights.
Hey children. Okay, so today's assembly was very nice. So united we stand, divided we fall. So have you seen cricket match? All of you? Can we play cricket match with one player? Right. Yes, 11 players are required. What about basketball? 5. Right. What about football?
11.
So why these matches are with the group of people? Because you always have to play in a team. You understand? So whenever you are participating, it is always you should encourage yourself to play in a team. Yes, the assembly with 3D was very nice. Please give them a big round of applause. And Kiranji, it was very nice talk. And the music was very nice. And the children sang very well. So please give them a big round of applause. The moral assembly will be happening. Please listen to the assembly carefully. Last voice at the end. Listen to the assembly carefully. Lot of questions will be asked. If you are not listening to the assembly, you may not be able to answer. You may not get those chocolates which others are getting. How many of you got a chocolate today? See, there were a few children who got a chocolate. So please listen to the assembly carefully. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now I would request all the students whose birthday falls in the week, that is from 21st July to 27th July, to please come up on the stage.
And my birthday falls on 20th.
My name is Shanti Binod. I study in class 5C and my birthday falls on 23rd July.
My name is Navjot. My birthday falls on 22nd July.
My name is Anshara and my birthday falls on 26th July.
My name is Zuravar and my birthday falls on 23rd July. My name is Asmir. My birthday is on today.
Request all of you to stand up for the national.
Principal ma'am to please come up on the stage and give away the trophies and certificates to the prize winners. Or watch and comic strip making competition. So give him a big round of applause. earth, dress-up and talk competition. Of class 5A had participated in the Dash Avatar production at the Gore Theatre in the summer break. So give her a big round of applause for participating in the competition. Has been declared as the best batsman in the RCI runner-up cricket tournament under 14 at Best Tinku Cricket Academy Sector 71. Clap for him. Has been awarded as an emerging player in Chandigarh Football League under 10 category. So give him a big round of applause.
Request all of you to stand up for the national anthem. I request Prithvi to come up on the stage and give the command.